तुझे बाहर लग रहा है पूरा वाइड है उसका हाथ नहीं दिख रहा है
31 जुलाई को डोनापोलो में एक डॉक्टर के घर पे बर्गलरी हुआ था, जिसमें ज्वेलरी और कैश मिला के क्लोज टू ½ crore वर्थ items were stolen, and in which we had registered an FIR on 31st under sections of IPC 454, 457 and 380 IPC. After close to a month of sincere and persistent and intelligent efforts of Panji police station team under the leadership of Inspector Nikhil and SDPO Sudesh, we have arrested the accused from West Bengal, and he has been produced before the court and now is in police custody. And during his police custody we have recovered jewelry which was part of the stolen items from Mumbai. इस केस में मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि दिस वॉज ए कम्प्लीटली ब्लाइंड केस. इनिशियल एक हफ्ते में वी वर नॉट हैविंग एनी क्लू अदर देन ए CCTV recordings in which a person was coming in a cycle. एक साइकिल में आ रहा था और उसमें भी ही वॉज कम्प्लीटली कवर्ड इज फेस भी कवर किया था, और ये साइकिल में आ रहा था और साइकिल से जा रहा था. और उस घर पे भी व्हेन ही ब्रोक इनटू ही वाज हिज फेस वाज कवर्ड, बट वी कंटिन्यूड आवर एफर्ट्स. इन फैक्ट निखिल एंड हिज टीम, PSI संकेत एज वेल एज अदर टीम कंटिन्यूड द एफर्ट्स. पूरा CCTV ट्रैक किया तो वी फाउंड वन सस्पिशियस पर्सन हु वाज एक्चुअली फॉलोइंग द सेम ट्रैक इन विच वी फाउंड आउट द साइकिल मैन वाज ट्रैकिंग. फिर हमने ट्रैक किया तो वी सो दिस पर्सन वाज गोइंग टुवर्ड्स कैसीनो एज वेल. कैसीनो में जा रहा था, वहाँ पे उसका फेस क्लियर आ गया. फिर उसके बाद पोंडा में जा रहा था, वहाँ से भी उसका फेस क्लियर आ गया. बट दिस पर्सन हैड गिवन फेक फोन नंबर्स एट डिफरेंट लोकेशंस. उसका नंबर्स भी फेक था. फिर उस CCTV को और उसको पूरा ट्रैक करने के बाद वी वर फाइनली एबल टू ट्रैक द पर्सन्स ID कार्ड. बट ID कार्ड में भी इट वॉज ओनली हिज नेम एंड हिज एड्रेस, बट हिज वेयरअबाउट्स वेर अननोन. फिर 1 week ऑफ इंटेंस टेक्निकल सर्वेलेंस से वी अंडरस्टूड that this person is based in West Bengal, but where this person is we were unaware. Now the police came up with a very intelligent plan in which we have found out the identity of this person is Nepali and he is of the age 31 years. फिर हमने देखा कि इसका जो नंबर्स जो ट्रैक यूज किया है, दिस नंबर्स इज लिंक्ड टू वन Instagram अकाउंट एंड Facebook अकाउंट. Instagram और Facebook अकाउंट में there is no other number by which we can trace his location, but the Instagram account was active. The police also created a fake Instagram ID of a girl. हमने एक fake ID बनाया लेडी का, in fact a girl का. We took the help of a girl also and we started talking with the person. फिर after 3-4 days of intense chatting, the person revealed his location and person revealed his phone number. Immediately a team was sent to West Bengal. वेस्ट बंगाल में उसको वेस्ट बंगाल पुलिस की हेल्प से हमने उसको अप्रहेंड किया. वहाँ पे उसको पेश किया कोर्ट में. कोर्ट ने हमें ट्रांसिट वारंट दिया. ट्रांसिट वारंट के बाद वी केम हियर, वी प्रेजेंटेड इट बिफोर द कोर्ट हियर वेयर वी गॉट द PC. और उसके इंस्टेंस में वी रिकवर्ड सम ऑफ द ज्वेलरी फ्रॉम मुंबई. द केस इज अंडर फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन. The accused name is Suredhar Chhetri, son of late Sriram Chhetri, age 31 years, and he is from Lakshman Line, Badain Line, Chaupura Tea Garden, Kalchini, Jalpaiguri, West Bengal. Basically, he is a Nepali.
Sir, when did you
Sorry.
सब
We are actually assessing that some of the majority of them are jewelry.
Sir, when did the crime happen?
Crime happened on 30th night,
30th of July.
July.
So the full crime he involved by himself, or he was having the
He only was involved in the crime. This person, this thief is also interesting. He doesn't target a particular house. He roams around the area. He just goes and checks which house is open. ठीक है, जिस घर में कोई एंट्री है, तो दिस वाज जस्ट मतलब prima facie from the investigation what we found out, he was just roaming around in that area where this house was there. उन्होंने जाके देखा तो door was not properly, first floor door was open. इन लोगों ने नीचे बंद करके किया था, तो first floor door was open, so he just went there and tried to open it. It went sealed and he stole and came out. Sorry? Yes, he was arrested by Bandra police in 2015.
So he used to stay over here in the rental house or just visitor?
He just comes here ऐसे randomly आता था and he just roams around in the area. अगर कोई मिल गया कि कहीं घर खुला मिला है, then see you have to see this person is even roaming in cycle. साइकिल में घूम रहा था, फिर एक घर गया, वहाँ पे देखा तो घर खुला है. He went inside and stole. No, it's not well planned. It's random. The activity is planned, but the house is random.
So he's operating individually.
He is operating individually.
Sir,
No, not yet.
Sir, you have mentioned about casino. You used to work casino.
No,
or
he
used to
didn't work in the casino. He stole the items. When he stole, there was some cash also. He got close to 3 lakh cash from the house of where he did the theft. And using that cash, he went to the casino to play. From where we could identify that person or his face was revealed.
So do you find any involvement in other crimes in Goa?
We are checking it as well.
Do you feel that this is the first case where Goa police used honey trap to track the person?
If you call it as a honey trap, then it can be like,
For the first
yes,
time.
first time. Like, to arrest to find out the accused, we have to make as efforts as much as possible. So we made all sincere efforts. नहीं, he was actually, उन्होंने एक दो जगह पे इन्होंने भेज दिया था, तो वहाँ से हमने इनको रिकवर किया.
So it is this work, hard work of your PI.
Yes,
and
yes,
the
yes. It is completely pure hard work. In fact, more than hard work, it is persistence and intelligence which worked in this case.
So total how much jewelry cost?
Almost all together, cash और सारे मिला के, I told you 500 crore, close to 50 lakh, 500 crore.
How much you recovered now?
That we are assessing. It's jewelry, no? We'll get to know. No, see, they have to take precautions because when you are keeping so much of jewelry, at least the doors should have been closed.
मुंबई से वो आपने बोला कि थोड़ा मुंबई से लाया है कितने ज्वेलर्स को बेचा है?
He had disposed it into 2 places, one jewelry shop and one place also he had given. वहाँ से भी हमने